Hi, and welcome to Conga. Today we're going to walk through the easy and quick installation process for Conga Composer, a powerful tool to enhance your document generation within Salesforce. We'll start from the community welcome page. If you already have your credentials, go ahead and click Login. From this page, you can also sign up for a community account or reset your password if needed. If you already have credentials, enter them here and click Continue. Once logged in, we'll begin by navigating to the Get Started tab and selecting Install Center from the dropdown. Within the Install Center, you can manage your software products, check for updates, and download or install packages. Today we'll be installing Conga Composer. First, we can come to Composer under the My Packages section. From here, we'll find a link to install Composer from the Salesforce AppExchange. On the AppExchange listing, you should see Conga Composer connector for Salesforce. We can continue in the installation process by clicking Get It Now. First, you're going to select where you want to begin the installation, either in a sandbox or production environment. Next, you'll confirm installation details and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Confirm and Install. At this point, you may be prompted to log in to your Salesforce environment. If so, do that here. Next, you'll be prompted to select whom you want to install for. You can select admins only, all users, or to install for specific profiles. Conga recommends installing for all users. Now you can click the blue Install button. In my case, it says Upgrade because I've already installed the product. But if this is your first time, it will say Install. Now Salesforce has kicked off the process of installation. Once the installation process is complete, you'll receive an email notifying you. Now that installation is complete and I have received the email notifying me if so, I can navigate back to the initial installation page that I was on. Here I can click Done, and I'll be routed to the Salesforce Installed Packages page. On this page, we can go ahead and confirm that Conga Composer was installed. At this point, you need to create a case in the community for license entitlement support so that our provisioning team can provide the correct licenses within your org. To do this, navigate back to the community and find the Support tab. On this page, we'll click Open a Case. Next, select License and Entitlement Support and fill in the necessary details. Once you click Submit, this is routed off to our provisioning team and they'll take it from here.